Greetings everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a form, a quiz form from Microsoft Forms. So like here I'm going to use my natural science grade 8. I'm going to use the grade 8 natural science scope. So I'm going to copy this, right, because I don't know much about the subject. I'm going to use ChatGPT to make me some questions. As you can see here, it's already made. So what is it that I instructed ChatGPT to do? So I went to ChatGPT and I asked the question, or I gave the instruction, please create. So this is the instruction: create a comprehensive natural science, physical sciences revision quiz for 50 questions, a mix of short answers not more than 2 words and multiple choice questions based on the following scope. And I just pasted the scope which I got from the document for grade 8. So then ChatGPT will make me all the questions and the memo. So what I do is I copy the questions and then I open a Word document. There it is. And then this Word document, I'm going to paste it there. And then after pasting the questions on a Word document, I have to clean it up so that I don't get unnecessary or questions being formulated by my Microsoft Word, Microsoft Forms. So I clean it up. So I remove what I don't need, and I don't need the memo for now. So I remove all of that. So I clean it up like that, and then I only leave the questions themselves. Anything that I don't need, I remove, and then I save it. So you can see natural sciences, physical science revision quiz. I save it where I can find it. So in this case, I make sure I save it under downloads. So I go to my downloads, which is easier to access. So you can see already I've got that document saved there. So that is what I want. So saved already. So I save the document. Okay, yes. So after saving, I go back now. I've got the document, what I want, and then I can close this one because I have it already. So yes, and then I go back to my websites. So I go to my Chrome, there we are. So now I go to Microsoft Forms. Under Microsoft Forms, I go to Quick Import. So Quick Import, I'm going to go, a window will open, and that window is upload from this device. And then there is my document. I select it. I make sure you know where you have saved it. And then I press open, and it gives me the option for a form or a quiz. What I want is a quiz. So I open that, and then you can see it will take a little bit of some seconds for it to create. You just be patient, you wait, and then let's wait and see. So this is fast. Remember, those questions, there are 50 questions. If I was to do this manually, it would take me a while. So I start reviewing my questions. It opens a window, and then there I am. So this small review window, I don't need it. I need to go through my questions. You can see here, natural sciences, physical science revision. All the 50 questions have been uploaded. All right, and then you can go through them question by question. You can see here, you select which question is correct. Here is the question is atom according to the memo, and then you go down here, you make sure that each question is, you toggle the required button then, and then the mark is supposed to be 1 mark per question. Then you just press or click in the open space of the question so that you can navigate downwards. And then here, question number 2, if you're not sure, you just open your quiz in ChatGPT. You go look for the answer. Question answer is A. So I toggle A there, and then I make sure that 1 mark, and then there we go. So you do that for all your questions, and then if the questions are those ones which have got 1 word answers, let's go down to them and I show you. So you must do this for all the multiple choice questions. And it's faster because now all the questions are created for you. So here we are for the one word, at most two words for these answers. So you toggle the long answer so that you can have short answers, and then you click the add answer button, and then you go, you check. Let me check question number 40. The answer is atom. So I go to there, I write atom with a capital letter. Okay, atom with a capital letter, because kids or the people who answer this quiz might write it in different ways. So I can write atom with small letters also, add it as a correct answer, and write atom with capital letters just in case. Right, and then remember, you toggle, it's required, you put your mark, and then you do this, you just click on the space there to navigate downwards, and then there you go. And then after you've put your marks or your points, forms calls it points, and you have toggled required, so that no, the person answering the quiz will not skip any question. Make sure each question is toggled as required. And then also, for you to be able to put the answers for the questions, make sure that the long answer toggling button is off. And then you can do a preview of your question. You press preview up here, you go to preview, then it will show you how your quiz will appear. So if it is required, it will have that red asterisk next to it, and then also the points, how much that question is worth, is shown next to it. And then you can see it on a computer. This is how it appears if it is on a computer, and this is how it appears if it is on a mobile phone. So there we go. So you are done. So now to collect your responses, right, you go to collect responses, which is right here, and then you toggle it. So you see that for, if you want only the kids from your school, like here it's St. Patrick's, it's Christian Brothers, you can say you toggle only people from St. Patrick's. Remember, our kids have got their own emails, but sometimes they can struggle, so you can just say anyone can respond. Then you can shorten your link, and then you copy the link, and you can even go and you can paste it anywhere where you can use it, and then you can click on it or share it on your WhatsApp groups, and your peoples, your classes can be able to access it. And there it is, how it looks when you click the link. Okay, so yeah, that is it in a nutshell. Other tricks I will show you on later videos, or if you need to see, if you need help like pictures, how to put them in and do questions involving diagrams, we can all do that. That can all be done on Microsoft Forms for quizzes for kids, where you can do it for your class. Soon after you've taught a concept, you want to see how well they understand, you can do a quiz. I hope this video will help you a long way in your teaching career. Thank you.